Hey guys, it's Laurel and Pierre with Blue Ox on the Run, and today we are going to show you this Redwood fifth wheel, the 4200 FL, and I think we have a lot of beautiful features to show you, so stick around.
A little bit of luxury, 4200 Redwood model. I'm saying luxury because I think there's about 6 slide out on this. So for people that judge a character by the slide out, you'll be well served with this one. So basic 30-gallon tank on each side, which I'm not going to be able to show you on the other side because of all the things and the show outfit.
Oh wow,
nice manifold. That's what I always liked with Redwood, and I try to convince other manufacturers to do the same because that makes total sense to me. This should be in every unit, so you actually know when you're leaking. You can actually isolate the leaking problem that you have. You can see the awning is going over. This comes with slide toppers on every slide out. This is the upgrade of the quality that you're going to be looking at. Frameless window, nice finish, full body paint. So that's what I'm saying. You know you're paying for this. That's about $20,000 just to have a full body paint up in prices. See, this awning was coming up here. It actually slides over this top. Then you got another awning coming down over this extension too, which is kind of cool. But the problem is this 24 inches and this 32 inches, actually your awning will end up right here. So it's giving you a hallway to walk from one to the other, but that's about it.
At least you don't get wet.
You stay inside, you won't get wet. So this is what's nice about this. I didn't open the panel on the other side, but this is right through. So you can bring your skis, your whatever you need that's long that you can stick in there. That's the advantage of this.
Your paddle boards.
It also comes with Truma on-demand water heater. On the other side that I saw, full ladder system, a hitch in the back, 2-axle, 8,000-pound axle with a more ride suspension, 6 leveling system, hydraulic. Oh, reel for your cable, so it's electric reel that winds up your cable. So now that we've seen this and there's a little bit of light coming in since we're at the end of the day, let's have Laurel walk us through this unit.
Let's check out this Redwood 4200 FL. And I think the L stands for luxury. That's what I think. But I'll let you decide that. So coming right in here, we have this humongous, beautiful refrigerator, which we absolutely love. This is your residential refrigerator. And you've got this island. I love having an island in the camper. Look at this faucet. Beautiful faucet. You've got storage up here. And this feature right here, look at this silverware drawer, okay? I'm not going to latch it because they have this all beautifully displayed for the show. But on both sides, you've got your silverware drawer. Talk about a silverware drawer. That's amazing. Huge storage, huge drawers. You've got a dishwasher here.
Yeah,
4-burner.
Redwood is all about luxury.
It is beautiful. 4-burner Insignia oven and stove, as well as a convection oven here. So anyone who loves to bake and cook, you are going to love this. It is divine. You've got this beautiful table here, which actually extends so you can have 4 seating here. I love these right here. These are so you can charge your phone, and you've got this wine rack. If you don't drink wine, well, you can put it in there. It's a nice, beautiful decor. Cupboard space. Put things up there that you don't want anybody to find. You know, it's a little nook to hide Christmas gifts or gifts in general. And then we're going to go up into the bedroom. On your way up, though, I'm going to show you this. So you've got a little coat rack, or you can make some shelving in here so you've got more storage if you don't want to hang 2 jackets. This bedroom is huge. So look at this king bed. So during the day, it actually can fold away nicely, which gives you more living space to walk through and have access to your drawers underneath the bed, which is Amazing. And then over here, nice, beautiful dresser. Tons of area for your clothing. So if you're living full-time in here, you're not going to be having a problem finding a place to put all of your clothing. And here you can hang any of the things that you need to have hanging on hangers. Coming into the bathroom. The bathroom's massive. I can't believe all the storage in here. I'm going to open this up. It's probably hard to see, but your washer and dryer would go in there if you chose to have washer and dryer. And I want you to show them this shower head. This thing is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. So you've got a beautiful sink. I love that it's not that stainless steel with the hardcore corners. This is going to be easy to clean. Again, a lot of storage in here for your linens or whatever else you need to store in here. It's absolutely beautiful. Coming back into the main living area, we're going to go up into the front living room. And up here, they are having a show. We're at the Hershey Show in Pennsylvania. So this is all ready for their show to start tomorrow. But behind here is a huge TV from here to here. So what's that, honey? 72 inch?
Yeah, probably.
That's my guess. 72
yeah,
inch.
huge.
With a huge fireplace as well. Both of the couches that are on each side actually flip out into beds. So that's a nice feature. We did that with our kids. We had 4 teenage girls. They flipped them out every night and they had their place to sleep, which was great. So plenty of places to have guests and or for your kids. So stick around because we're going to share with you our least favorite and favorite features. Thank you for watching our videos. We would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. It's free. Give us a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when our next video comes out. Okay, we're going to share with you our least favorite and favorite features on this Redwood. So, Pierre, what's your least favorite feature?
I know we have a problem with that, you and I. We don't agree that I should say that, but I feel like there's 6 slide out on here. This is beautiful. It's a freaking home. It's amazing. Though you better be a technician if you move a lot with this. I don't know how you're going to be able to have everything working all the time. So you almost need a tech to follow you. That's the downside. And hey, to each their own. I mean, if you can afford to stay there for 2-3 days or a week because one of the slide out didn't work this morning when you're supposed to leave, that's your choice. It's fine by me. Luxury has a price, and yeah, probably people who can afford this, they don't have a problem calling a tech, or they have time on their hand. I don't know. That's my least favorite of this. But the construction is beautiful. It's phenomenal. But it's a camper. So you double up your risk of having more to break down because of all those slides. But that's my 2 cents. So what's your least favorite?
Okay, so my least favorite, it's the furniture in the living room. So it's cloth. And I really do not like cloth. I would prefer leather. So it would really be hard to clean. Should there be a spill? Should you have pets? The hair is going to stick to it. We have a dog. He's a schnauzer, so he's not going to shed, but he still brings debris in on his little paws. And he's got little sandy feet.
He doesn't have a litter box. Yeah.
So that would be my thing. It's just a personal opinion, but that's my personal opinion. So what's your favorite feature?
My favorite feature in here is the bathroom way in the back, the shower in the corner. The room that's in there is phenomenal. And I'm not a guy who checks for room because I'm only allowed to have about 2 feet in our closet and 1 drawer out of 6. So
that's all you need.
See? So that's what I'm saying. But I feel like, wow, I got room. So
speaking of that, I was looking at all of the closet space in there and all of those drawers. I'm thinking you could have 1, I could have the rest of those. Anyways.
See, told you. I knew that was that. I'm surprised you didn't tell me you're going to put your clothes underneath the belly and all that storage you got underneath.
Oh, that's a good idea. Thank you. That's a good idea.
That's mine.
Okay, so my favorite feature, it's really simple, but they really thought about it. And it is the silverware drawers. Right here. You can see it right here. Oh, wait. Or is it over here?
Both of them.
Yeah, both. I just think that is really cool. And it's out of the way. And it's that simple. I love it. It's a simple little feature, but I do love it.
Yeah, it is cool.
Yeah. So remember.
So again.
Yeah. And never forget, it's not about the destination.
It's all about the journey.